bathed in sound.
Closed my eyes, went to sleep and drifted downward. I dreamt of whales floating there, bathed in sound, all wrapped in plankton and glinting green, drifting onwards through shifting seas. Closed my eyes, went to sleep and drifted downward. I dreamt of whales floating there, all bathed in sound, all wrapped in plankton and floating round us, alive with purpose and with a will. Oh, the wonder of that wild web world, of that wild web world beneath. Oh,